This is my introduction. The mission was to solve a real problem people face on a regular basis, and my vision was to create a project using AI to help people feel confident about interviews. And yeah, so so this app, it collects your user input, like your role, like it collects your strengths and weaknesses, and then you can also upload your resume so the AI can really get to know you better and really help you according to like your like interest, and it'll tell you what you need to add and what you don't need to add. And then I built this in Streamlit. And then it also extracts content from, like, it uses the Google Gemini LLM. And then the technologies I used was Streamlit for UI. Then I used PDF Plumber for PDF text extractions. And then, yeah, I also used ChatGPT for some of the code when I was filming it, like, not filming, when I was trying to like code it. Like I used ChatGPT's help, and it told me what I should add and what UIs will look good on it and everything like that. Once again, it was sorry, okay, yeah. So it combines AI with resume context, and then it also just the advice it gives you. It basically gets adjusted according to your strengths and weaknesses, and it's really easy to deploy. And then that is how it looks. You basically put your job title here, like what the interview is for and what's going to be your job title. Then you put your company, and then you put your experience level. Then you put your strengths, your weaknesses, and what type of interview it is. And then you can put your resume here, and then you can do generate prep, and then it creates all of this good information and questions that can help you. How this helps in real world is it helps students with interviews, like for the internship, like for me right now. Then it helps for job seekers, and then a lot of employees that are planning on applying to new jobs. And how I can fix this and add improvements is I can probably add like a mock interview, like with follow-up like feedback and stuff, and then I can do the AI can also try scanning your resume to help fix the resume. So when you enter the interview, if it's in person, maybe you can give your resume when you first sit down. And then yeah, and then maybe it can also have like login system. So like you can log in, and then it can save your progress. So it like help you with all the other jobs you might apply to. And that was basically all.
So, can you show us the demonstration of the project?
Yes. So this is the website. So I could say I'm a graphic designer. I can say I work for Canva, and then uh I can say I have pretty good experience. I could say I have creative thinking, and then I could say my weakness is coding, and then I can say it's a technical interview, and then I can look for a resume.
Uh, does it usually takes this long?
Yeah, it does.
So meanwhile, you can tell me how did you come up with this problem statement? I mean,
Uh,
this look really yeah. I think
okay. So it's basically it just tells you everything that you can do, and then it gives you it gives you a plan, and then it tells you what the interview like will mostly be about, and then it asks you questions, and then it also tells you what answer you can give, and then it also gives you resume tips, and that's all.
awesome. So yeah, you can tell me about the background of this problem statement.
Because I get really scared before interviews. So if I have an interview at school, so example, I had an interview for Model UN once, and I had to go in and tell about myself and why I want to join Model UN. So I didn't have this app that time, so I like had to sit down with my friend and like physically practice with her. And obviously, it wasn't as helpful as this app because it really gives you like in-depth tips and stuff.